What's up, Girl Talk World? It's Harvey, and today I'm going to be taking on the Girl Talk Random Question Challenge. Let's go. First question. What do you wish you were better at? I wish that I was better at paying more attention at things. I've got a really short attention span, so I wish that I had a better capacity. Do you know what I'm trying to say though?
Yeah.
Like, I wish that I was better at concentrating. I wish I had more of a concentrated span. That makes sense. You know what I mean? If you could only eat one fruit for the rest of your life, what would it be? Watermelon, because watermelon is my favourite. It's hydrating, it tastes good, and it looks good. It's just a nice looking fruit. So watermelon. Next question. Would you rather be able to breathe underwater or fly? 100% be able to fly, because it means I wouldn't have to go get on planes and go through the security checks. I could just fly without all that kind of inconvenience. And I could fly to all the different countries that I needed to go to. Plus flying's just cooler. What's your favourite film? I watch a lot of films, I love movies, I watch a lot of them on flights, but my favourite film would have to be Transformers. I love Transformers, I'm like a big kid. All the Transformers, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, there's actually a 5th one. I love them all, they're my favourite, so I love Transformers. Describe your life in one word. I know it sounds really generic, but pretty crazy. Crazy is what, yeah. I see a lot of places around the world, a lot of crazy things happen. I meet a lot of crazy people, but it's a good crazy. That's why it's crazy. Whew. Okay. Would you rather be able to copy and paste or undo in real life? Undo, definitely. There's a lot of things that I'd like to undo. Well, actually, saying that there's not, but there's a lot of things that I've said to people that I wish I could undo because they're bad. But yeah, definitely undo. What's your favourite sound? This sound that I can do in my mouth. I might not be able to do it, but we'll get it done. Wait. Oh yeah, wait. No. My favourite sound. What's the most embarrassing thing you've ever worn? I had to wear a sausage outfit once, like a hot dog sausage thing, on TV, on live TV. It's pretty embarrassing. But I pulled it off, you know. Would you rather always have a runny nose or always have something stuck in your teeth? Runny nose is always going to be hard because I've got to sing. But there's something stuck in your tooth is always going to look bad. Probably something stuck in my teeth. Probably, yeah. Runny nose is just annoying. And I can't sing if I've got a runny nose. If you could morph 2 animals to make a new animal, what would you choose? I'd like to see a shark walking on land. So I'd have a shark and a kangaroo, because kangaroos can go on 2 legs, so it'd be like a walking shark. So it'd be called a kanga shark or a shankaroo. What are you scared of? Spiders. Always been scared of spiders, I'll never change. Spiders are scary, they have too many legs. I don't like anything that has more than 4 legs. It's weird. If you could make anything pocket size so you could carry it with you, what would it be? An elephant. I'd love a pocket-sized pet elephant that I could take with me everywhere. Because it'd be cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my Girl Talk Question Challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you.